Hi, today I'm for the POCO M6 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application and then in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this first application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click the OK, consent, and now we could see here information about my battery temperature. In my case that's 32 and 7 degrees, and also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.